How to install Applinked on Firestick. I'm going to tell you how to install Applinked on your Firestick step by step. First, from your Firestick home screen, go to Settings, scroll to My Fire TV, then open Developer Options. Make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This allows third-party installs. Next, go back home and use the search bar to find the downloader app. Install Downloader. It's the orange icon by AFTV News. Once installed, open Downloader in the URL box, type the official app link download link, press go, and the APK file will download. When the installer screen appears, select install, then open. That's it. AppLink is now on your Fire Stick. From here, you can launch AppLink, enter a store code, and download apps directly onto your device.